Sawadee-ka, all you Milesters out there, and welcome to another vlog. This time we are traveling to Pattaya and Bangkok, Thailand. Thai culture is deeply influenced by religion, and 95% of the country being Theravada Buddhist, so you'll see a lot of Buddhist temples out there. Also, there are a lot of different islands with beautiful beaches and clear water. Not only that, if you're a party animal, the nightlife here is also crazy. And for all my shopaholic friends out there, you gotta shop in Bangkok. It's like the haven for cheap and trendy affordable fashion. So don't miss this one. So my trip in May was a lot of fun, and let's get started. Finally reached Bangkok Airport, and yeah, so the visa on arrival is pretty fast if you want to do like the VIP one, which they take 200 baht extra per person, so that was really very quick. And now we're just waiting for our friends who are already in Bangkok to come to the airport and pick us up, and then the party begins. This is the van that's come to pick us up. Just look at it, and look at all the stuff that we have here, all our stuff. And let me just give you a tour of the van. It has like lights over here, and say hi, that's Prachi and Kanchi. And yeah, so this is, just look at the lights here. And this is how it is. Hey guys, so we finally reached. It's not raining heavily over here, but this is how our pool looks, and this is the outside section where you sit. Once you enter over here, there is one room over here on this side with a bathroom. Once you come out, then this is the living area, and then this is the pantry, kitchen, and on this side we have the dining table with the chairs, and then there are these doors which leads you to the outside section. And then there are these stairs that lead you upstairs. And there are 3 rooms here, so let me take you to my room first. So when you enter this room, there's a small passage over here. So this is the TV and a small table, and this is the cupboard. And there are 2 chairs over here, and our luggage is open, so I'm just going to show you this way. So there's this painting over here with the beds here and place to keep your bags. This nice cute little balcony over here for 2 people to sit and like probably enjoy their morning tea. You can see the pool area from here, and this is the bathtub. On this side we have the wash basins, and from here There's this small shower area as well. On the other side is the pot. I don't know whether you want to see it or no, but yes, this is where the pot is, and this is my room for the next 3 days. Let me just show you the other 2 rooms as well. Hi guys, look at us, we're all ready here. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so we're all ready and we're heading out, and this is the outfit that I am wearing. I'm wearing a dress with like a belt and a statement neck piece. So that's what I'm wearing today, and let's go. So we were just walking on the street, and here is what we found. We've stopped here to have some crepes, and I love like chocolate banana crepe. So that's what we're going to be having right now. I'm going to show you how he makes that. So let's see. Yum. So what is this area we're living?
Jomatin Beach.
So we're at Jomatin Beach, and so this beach or this area is not as commercial as like the other areas in Pattaya, the other beaches in Pattaya. So it's really nice and peaceful and not that crowded, and the people are also very sweet. Next we decided to go to the Jomatin Beach Market just to look around, and it's just opposite the beach, so we decided to give it a try. We were a little late because by the time we reached there, most of the shops were shut. But there was great music playing and some cute kids dancing around, and a lot of stalls selling fruits, spices and local food. So if you want to buy local food and want to taste the food, you should definitely give it a try. There were also a few shops selling clothes there. The next stop was 7-Eleven to stock up on everything that you needed for breakfast the next day. Because we decided to make breakfast in the villa, so this is all the stuff that we needed.
This is the tuk-tuk of Pattaya.
I am here with my friends, you know.
I'm here with my friends and we're chilling in the tuk-tuk.
I'm chilling in the tuk-tuk with the open air.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
We all got the point that we're sitting in a tuk-tuk now.
It's vintage Thailand.
Vintage Thailand, you know. It's so classy. Hello.
Back to the hotel and back in my clothes. I'm just wearing like a t-shirt and tracks because they're like so convenient right now, like after I'm like so tired. And we're planning to like play a few games right now, just cards or something, and some of them are planning to go and jump in the pool again.